Westgate, Alabang. And we're gonna try out something new today. Oops, sorry. We're here, guys. Ayun yung friend kong vlogger din. So, I'm gonna put his link somewhere in your screen or sa description box. And we're here. We're gonna try it. Vlogger, yeah. So this is the food. So I'm with my friends and boyfriend, the vlogger, Bell Vlogs, Bell Travels, yeah. And we're gonna order, I think the Andre
It's of that Sansripal.
and I'm order muna kami and so this is one of my order, canchos. It's crispy kangkong with all of this cute stuff. I think it's yummers. Look at that.
Ako rin ba kumaro? Alcohol. Ayun sa...
Okay guys, grabe. Ang sarap. Ang sarap talaga. Ito, solid. Yung canchos, yung kangkong siya na parang nachos. Ang sarap. Miss Judy Ann, baka naman. Bala ko tuloy dito na lang gawin yung reception ng wedding ko. Yes. Masarap ka palang magalit, Miss Judy. Anyway, I'll be posting some pictures sa Instagram. So please follow me on Instagram. It's Mary_Mary8. Same goes with my co-friend, friend na co-YouTuber, co-vlogger. So, all his information I'll be putting sa description box. And yeah, promise, ang sarap. Alam mo, sorry. Ito pa lang, parang I can eat this all day. With olives, with mayo, with cheese, with onions and everything. Salsa. Are you enjoying your crispy? Grabe, no? Sorry. Gutom na kami. Luka niya is my blanched na kangkong. Yeah, and we chose naman yung lime, with lime. And for our dessert, we ordered the champsicles and I ordered the white chocolate. So try na natin.